Good afternoon for everyone. I am standing here to the tower cranes behind the bridge construction. After we working hard for 1.5 months, we starting from the A-frame installation. And the bottom slab installation. After that, we start with the wing form, inner roller frame, and side form. hopefully for the next week we can start with the rebar, the bottom layer and the web wall, and then we can step by step and then make up to finish. We have to make a lot of accessory like the platform behind the side shutter for installing the tie rod and the walkway on the bottom platform. Many small, but it's very important same because we're working on the high location. Yes, it is the specialist only can do. We need the guy who smart and strong and working at high like this. The bridge is, I think it's beautiful. Make and a crossing with the object you want to crossing over, like the road, the junction, the canal, the river, even the sea. Okay, right now we are being on that. We are crossing with the river, and the people working here, I think especially this is the bridge for the big project in Thailand. Very big, very big railway from the middle of Thailand is going through the northeast of the Thailand. I don't know how many kilometers, 1,000 kilometers. Yes, look for them, they are working good. Even the messages for the guys working for the country, even for the foreigner to come work in Thailand. Okay, thank you to help and develop our country more better. Alright, thank you guys. See you for the next episode again.